Hello from Lordhair. Today I'm here to talk to you about the S1M stock men's hair system. This hair system is unique because it has super thin skin all over. Now let's take a look at the base of the S1M. As we can see, there's super thin skin all over. This makes the system easy to handle, attach, clean and maintain. We recommend using glue when applying the S1M. Now let's take a look at the top of the S1M. It comes in a medium hair density and has a hair length of 6 inches. It comes in one colour, which is colour 1B, the colour I have in my hands. This is a natural black and a very popular choice amongst hair system wearers. It comes in a freestyle hair direction, so you're free to style and part your hair however you wish. The S1M comes in our standard base size of 8 by 10 inches, but we offer a professional base and hair cutting service, so your new system is ready to be worn as soon as it arrives. As with all of our stock men's hair pieces, this comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee and immediate shipment, so it could be with you in as little as 5 working days. If you like what you see and want to find out more, then please feel free to visit our website at www.lordhair.com or email us at support@lordhair.com. Alternatively, you can telephone us at +86 532 8082 8255.